When it comes to making sure your premises are clean, safe and fully operational, you need to know that issues can be dealt with as quickly as possible. Our property maintenance system, Access Maintain, is the way to ensure you have full control and visibility of maintenance status and costs across your sites. And when the UK's #1 hospitality task management checklist app, Trail, is plugged into Maintain for real-time call-out requests, there's no better way to ensure your health, safety and operational standards are maintained. With an integrated combination of Access Maintain and our task management app, Trail, you can digitise and simplify the task list of checks that have been set for team members and upkeep standards. That's the full checklist in an app, with the ability for team members to record checks. And when there's a maintenance issue, they can quickly and easily raise a call out in Maintain from the Trail task. No more notepads, no more delays when issues are found. Just an easy to use checklist app that plugs into your Access CAFM system to ensure your health, safety and operational standards are maintained. Here's how it works. When Maintain and Trail are integrated, Trail users will find placing a call-out task in their list of available ad hoc tasks. These are found in the Create Task section. The task template comes with predefined content, but administrators can edit this to add or amend the description, checklist, drop-down, etc., as they would any other Trail task. Selecting the Place a Call-out in Maintain button in the task will open the Place a Call-out flow in Maintain. Users can select the unit they're placing a call-out for, and then work their way through the standard Maintain triage process to select the equipment or asset they are logging a call-out against. From there, they can select the response type. This will vary based on the customer's config. And they can also select the contractor from their predefined list of approved contractors. Users can add further details to the call-out and upload images directly from their device. At this point, their order will be raised and they will return to the original task on Trail, where they have the option to record the response type raised, initial the task, and include any other detail managers might want to see at a glance. The order number is passed back to Trail and automatically printed in the Trail task. Standard plan administrators and managers can use the task report section to view callouts, filter by task to view the number of callouts placed, add additional filters to view by site and time period, view any attachments, comments including the Maintain order number and initials against each callout task, export one or multiple callout tasks as a CSV or PDF to share outside of Trail. It has never been easier for you and your team members to ensure that your hospitality venue can operate in the safest, most efficient and cost-effective ways possible. If you'd like more information, we'd love to talk more. Just head over to the Access website, fill in your details and we'll call you right back.